But now when work done displaces the body at a certain angle, त्यसमा चाहिँ हामीहरुले अलि इन्ट्रेस्टिङ तरिकाले ट्रिगोनोमेट्री लगाएर हेर्नुपर्छ. So let's take this for example. If the force applied displaces this body upwards, तर हामीले डाइरेक्सन हेर्ने बेलामा यतातिर हेर्छौं किनकि हामीले फोर्स यसरी अप्लाई गरिराखेको छौं. So the base is the displacement. So base कसरी पत्ता लगाउने त? When it covers a certain distance at a certain angle. Pythagoras theorem. Some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. यसबाट सजिलोसित हामीले क्याल्कुलेट गर्न सक्छौं cos theta को भ्यालु. Cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. अब हामीहरुलाई hypotenuse को लेन्थ त थाहा छ. So base को लेन्थ पत्ता लगाउनको लागि base is equal to hypotenuse multiplied by cos theta. अब यही ट्रायंगललाई हामीले ABC भनेर नाम राख्दिने हो भने AB is equal to AC cos theta. So displacement कति भयो त? AC cos theta. भनेपछि work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. यहाँ displacement के छ त? Displacement is AC cos theta. तर let's look at something interesting here. Cos theta को value कुनै पनि बेलामा more than 1 छैन. So त्यसले गर्दा work done will always come to be low and low and low. But again हामीले हेर्ने हो भने यसमा work done against friction मात्रै छ त? Object त माथि पनि मुभ भएको छ. So work is done against gravity as well. So यो distance पनि मुभ हुन पायो. So यो distance चाहिँ base हामीले मान्ने हो भने हेरौं त अब के भयो त? Sin theta. Some people have. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. यसमा अब हामीहरुले perpendicular को लेन्थ थाहा पाउनु पर्यो भनेपछि के भयो त? AC sin theta. त्यो भ्यालु आयो. Hypotenuse लाई चाहिँ हामीहरुले actual distance मान्ने हो भने it will come as, yes, work done against friction is force multiplied by displacement multiplied by cos theta, while work done against gravity is force multiplied by displacement multiplied by sin theta. So your case ma total work done will be equal to work done against gravity plus work done against friction. भनेपछि यसलाई सम गर्दाखेरि given values हरु राखेपछि total work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement multiplied by the sum of sin theta and cos theta. यो गरेर हामीले total work done कति थियो त्यो सजिलोसित क्याल्कुलेट गर्न सक्छौं. यो derivation very important for the exam. Study well and understand. Work is done when the body is displaced in the direction of the force applied or at an angle to it except 90 degrees.